What's good, Tech fam? Welcome back to Undiluted Tech, where we are going to turn you from an ordinary coder into an AI powered legend. Today, I'm about to blow your mind with something that will literally change how you code forever. We are talking about Casa AI, the editor that codes with you and not just for you. If you're tired of fighting with syntax and want to code like you are having a conversation with a genius AI, then this video is about to be your new Bible. Hit that subscribe button because we're about to turn you into a vibe coding machine. So listen up, beginners. Casa AI isn't just another code editor. It's like having a senior developer sitting right next to you, whispering perfect code suggestions in your ear. Built on VS Code, but supercharged with AI that actually understands your project. We are talking about agent mode for massive code changes, inline edits for quick fixes, and chat that knows your entire code base. Today, we are setting up the ultimate vibe coding environment with custom AI rules that make Casa work exactly how you want it to. So, this will take you to the next level stuff. Let's begin. First things first, head to casa.com, download this bad boy. It's free to start and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Install it, sign in with your preferred account, and pick a theme that matches your vibe. I already chose the dark modern because it's clean as AF. Now here's where the magic happens. We are going to create a .cursorrules file that is giving your AI a personal transplant. This file lives in your project root and tells Casa exactly how to behave. So let's go. Okay, so we've got the file, and this is just the fast way. If you do it this way, you have to have this in every project that you work on. The next thing is I've have some rules that I've already set up to make this video short. So I'm gonna paste them here, and let's go through over them. So this is telling Casa that you're an expert full stack developer with over 10 years of experience, and you want to always write clean code, readable, and efficient code. General rules. These are just my own, right? You can add more here. Use descriptive variable names, add comments for complex logic, follow dry principles, include error handling, write modular reusable functions. And today we're gonna just try like a React, uh, JavaScript to-do listing, and I'm telling it to use functional components with hooks, prefer constant let over variables, blah blah blah. And then for file specific rules, you know for JavaScript, always include prototypes. And the project structure is component in components folder. You get the utils, you get the drift, and I wanted to ignore this file mode right there. So this is the first step. So let's save this. Right now, this is fine. You can work with this right here, but you're gonna have to put this in every project. So let me show you another thing that I do. So the next thing you want to do is just go to Kafka settings. You can hit Command Control or what is it? Not Command Control and comma, right? And it'll take you to settings. The other thing you could do is just come over here and open Kafka settings and just go to rules and memories. You'll see you don't have any rules. And what you want to do is just add rules for the user and add rules for global rules. It doesn't matter where you put it, as far as I know. You can have project rules. Um, Today, you're just going to put the user rules, right? You can either click add rule, don't matter where you do it. And then let's paste what I already done. And then you can make this big. And you'll see you're world class, blah, blah, blah. This time I told it, framework is Python, a language is Python, Python with PEP 8 styling. And for language, another one is TypeScript. Use interface over types when possible. CSS, I prefer flexible over floats. For APIs, always validate input and handle edge cases. Boom. Click done. There you go. Now, you want to add another one for the ignore rules. So you come over here, add another rule, and this is for the ignore, paste it, and click on done. So you got your rules set up. Let's see how this thing works, right? That's what we're here for, right? So you set that up, and you're good to go. Empty project. Now to start having it do things for you, just come over here to your right. There is a prompt, and you can tell it to do anything. But today I prepared something, so we're gonna paste it and click send, and let's see. So I just recognize that we've got a clean space, so there's nothing there. So depending on how you've set up this one, I've had it to allow certain commands to go ahead, right? So that's why it's writing. But if you haven't done this, if it's trying to install something, it's going to ask you, should I do this? And then you decide. So be cautious because Backsplash or whatever cybersecurity company found out that if you let Casa AI just go ahead and go to town, it might delete some of your files that you don't want you to delete. So use that with caution. Now, so far right here, it's written this to-do app list. I can click on keep because I want it, and it will continue. It's going, so you can sit back, go get a cup of coffee, come back when it's done. Now, some pro tip why this is going on. Just, make sure that your cursor rules file is already in your project root before running a prompt. And after cursor generates the initial code, you can ask for specific improvements. Like you can tell, hey, add a smooth animation to the to-do list item, or improve the mobile responsiveness. Something else you could say is add persistent storage, persistent with local storage, enhance, error handling, right? So those are the things that you could do. Um, hey, and you see right here now it's done, and it tells you this is a summary. It told you what files it created, blah blah blah. Yeah, and if you want to follow up with something, okay, let's click all. That's for saving. You can be like, now let's start the step up, and we'll go ahead and start testing. We go about this business, do its thing, and hey, can you beat this? If you're trying to learn how to code, I don't think you could. Anyways, that was it. This is what I wanted to show you guys today, and for troubleshooting, just check your Kata rules, restart Kata, reload the rules, be more specific in your prompt about following the rules. Reference the rules directly. So that's it. I just want to make a short video here just to show you the power of Kata, right? I did a video about 2 years ago saying the dangers of AI. And one of the points that I made was that AI is going to make us lazy. And guess what? That time is here. Look at this. I literally did nothing. Just gave it some prompts and it went to town. So guys, let me know what you think. If you want to see how to set up VS Code to do the same thing, yeah, smash that like button, subscribe. If I get maybe in the next 2 weeks, 10 subscribers, I'll do the VS Code. Because I don't know, I've got a lot of views, but people don't like subscribing. I had a giveaway. I gave people 2 weeks. They didn't. I only got one subscriber from that, and I was giving out free stuff. But if you like this kind of content, just go ahead and subscribe, man. It's free. It ain't gonna cost you nothing. All right, and it seems our thing is done. It's told us it's ready to test. All right, I'll keep all. I don't want to keep you all now. If you got some questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, I'm out, y'all. Peace.